This is Justin, and he's from ETC, which is Engineering and Testing Consultants. I butchered it before, but that's who he's from.
That's right.
And why don't you tell us what you're doing and why you're doing it?
Well, right now I'm doing a footing inspection for the foundations on the house. Usually by law now, per Yavapai County here in Arizona, any homeowner is required to get a geotechnical report done on the property showing what the soils consist of, see if it's expansive, it's clay, whatever. And then our soils report recommends a certain depth that the foundations need to be excavated to, and we just want to make sure that the footings all got dug down to where they need to be and they're nice and tight on the bottom, because as you know, all houses start with a good foundation. Can't go anywhere without that.
Okay, thank you. We'll let you get back to work.
You're welcome.
This soil here is as hard as a rock when you're trying to dig through it. Once you get a bunch of water in it, then makes digging easier, but that's not what we want right now. We want nice solid footings. You notice he's putting some pressure on that bar to see if it's going to sink into the ground, and so far I don't think he's sunk in at all. Some places you can hear the clunk. The ground is so hard.
To go.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
That, folks, is that little storm that I was hoping would not get here before Justin did, and it looks like we made it.
Looks like it, just in the nick of time.
We'll be back soon. Okay, it's Tuesday morning, August 21st. And the building inspector's been here already, and the footings and steel have passed, and now the pump truck is just arrived from JD's Pumping, and the cement trucks are on the way. The only problem is, while the rain stayed out yesterday, it's raining today. But it's not raining hard enough to stop from pumping. That's Richard with JD's Pumping. Nice big truck. Fortunately, the cement guys don't melt in the rain, so we're doing good. And I'll turn it off and come back when the cement truck's here. Okay, the cement truck is here. It's from American Concrete, Chino Valley. And as you might have seen in one of the other videos, the people pouring the cement, doing all the finish work and stuff, is from Tim's American Concrete. Don't know whether they're part of each other or just similar name. Looks like we're going to get mud coming down the chute here in a minute. As you might be able to tell with those boards across, is that this is going to be a step foundation. We use less mud this way, and makes it just an easier setup for me when I come back to do the wooden stem walls. are going to need a third one or not. Well, the footings are all poured. This is going to be shaky again because I'm walking around. Because of the sun, I don't know how well you can see the different levels. But the footings and the stem walls are going to be stepped. And then I'll even it out with wood afterwards because of the slope of the ground. I don't know that you can tell, but from the very end to where I'm standing, it slopes about 29 inches. So that was the reason for those boards and the step. In this direction, well, let me move over further. The actual end of the footings is way down there. And that is a 5-foot drop. If I can get it steady enough. Yeah. So I can't get it to unzoom. So I guess I'll end it right here for now. Okay, I finally got it to unzoom. But that is the reason for the steps. We're going to let this dry for a couple of days, and then we are going to put up the forms for the stem walls. And based on the weather, probably going to be early next week before we can pour any more cement. So I will keep you informed. Until the next time, God bless.